chemical engineer, so the first thing I want to show you is not a chemical plant, but I do want to show you our product, which is called pyrolysis oil. And I'll talk to you for a few minutes about how we can take this renewable fuel, make it here with wood wastes, and then help make Adelaide carbon neutral. Let's start at the very beginning. What are wood wastes? Well, if we're in Adelaide, we're talking broken pallets or construction waste. Pine trees down the Green Triangle, crop residues. All of these will go into our process and make biofuel. The old carbon neutral cycle. We're not wind, we're not solar, but we're still renewable. That's because when we burn our fuel, we release CO2, but when our feedstock grows, it captures CO2. And for that reason, we're just as compliant under federal legislation as wind and solar, so we're eligible for renewable energy certificates. And here's my favourite photo of the plant. I'm a chemical engineer, you can't stop me. We're working with a company out of Holland called BTG, and they've spent many years and many tens of millions of dollars building this technology up to this commercial scale. What we want to do is take this sort of plant, build it here and operate it here, with all the attendant jobs, both in construction and operation. If we take our low-cost feeds, our renewable energy certificates, and the economy of scale we get with that great big boring plant, we've got a position where we're competitive with natural gas. But unlike natural gas, which I might point out is the most commonly used fuel in this state, we're carbon neutral. And natural gas is a great fuel, but it can never be carbon neutral. Let's turn our attention to Adelaide then. I think everybody should win today because we've all got to get together and try and bring this total of 900,000 tonnes a year down. We want to do it with another boring engineering word called trigeneration, and so I'll do what engineers do, I'll count on my fingers. If I run a turbine or an engine, I make power. If I capture the waste heat, I get cogeneration. If I use the waste heat to run absorption chillers, I get trigeneration. That's why we're engineers, we're good with our fingers. And we've got a couple of different ways of capturing trigeneration, which I should point out is already used in Adelaide and around the world with natural gas as fuel. We want to start using our carbon neutral fuel instead of natural gas. And we're talking with University of Adelaide about putting an engine like this into one of the buildings in North Terrace campus. We can turn that building carbon neutral. That's great because if we do it in one building, everybody else in the city can have a look at it and decide if they want to do it too. But we want to go further than that. If I'm in Europe, I'm used to district heating where I reticulate hot water. And I can take you to Queensland and show you where they reticulate chilled water around campuses. In fact, Brisbane City Council is looking at moving chilled water right around the city to be energy efficient. We can do the same thing here, but we can do it with renewable fuel as our driver. Our target, because of the scale of Adelaide, and this is a long-term target with a lot of engagement with customers, I might point out, would be 3 pyrolysis oil plants plus turbines and engines. I've been really heartened this week by the enthusiasm and the collaboration. I mean, that's a great word, collaboration, that is shown by the city and the state government. And if we can tap into that and start to engage with customers, we believe we can bring down the emissions in Adelaide by 150,000 tonnes a year. That's 3 of those plants. Now, even if we bring only 1 plant into action in the coming years, it's still 50,000 tonnes less carbon that's going into the atmosphere. So with that, I thank you very much.